Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the precise words to become a link. This matters for accessibility and clarity. Once they are highlighted, decide whether the link goes to a web address, an email, or another document location. Make sure you have the web address or file path copied to your clipboard, because Word uses that directly. If using an email, format as mail to address. This immediate preparation avoids back and forth and keeps the insertion step fast and error-free. Now insert the link. Right-click the highlighted text and choose Link, or press Ctrl+K to open the dialog. Paste the URL into the address field, or switch to place in this document to link to headings or bookmarks. This keeps internal navigation tidy. You can edit the display text if you want different visible words, and click Screen Tip to add a hover description, helpful for users and screen readers. Make sure the address has the correct protocol, like HTTPS, // so it opens reliably. Finish by testing the link. Ctrl+Click, or Ctrl+Shift+Click depending on word settings, to open it and confirm behavior. If you need to change the target later, right-click and choose Edit Link to update the address without altering display text. If the link fails, recopy the URL to avoid stray characters, check for typos, and verify that any local file paths are accessible to readers. Network drives and attachments often cause broken links. Adjust to a shared location or embed the document if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.